150 e-buses to start in Nagpur from July. Koradi and Khapri depots gear up for rollout. The boost public transport in the city. The Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs is rolling out the Prime Minister's e-bus Seva scheme. As part of this initiative, Nagpur will receive 150 electric buses. These eco-friendly buses are likely to hit the roads starting July. Will be operated from the city's two key depots, Koradi and Khapri. As per a media report, JBM Eco-Lift Mobility Private Limited will supply 150 electric buses to the Nagpur Municipal Corporation under the PM e-bus Seva scheme. Of this, 75 e-buses will be operated from the Koradi depot and the remaining 75 from the Khapri depot. Preparations are currently underway, with the Koradi depot being upgraded with facility such as a meter room, transfer room and 45 charging stations to support the e-bus operations. The e-bus from the Koradi depot are set to begin operations from July 7. To check the progress of preparations, Municipal Commissioner Dr. Abhijit Chaudhary visited the Koradi electric bus depot on Friday. During his visit, he held a meeting with officials and inspected the site. He directed the contractor to complete the construction of the meter room, transfer room and shed on schedule. Dr. Chaudhary also instructed officials on ensure all necessary work at the Khapri electric bus depot is completed within the stipulated deadline.